She's like, bitch, I'm gonna get all the way up here. How about this? Oh my God. The whole show is not about you. Hi, I'm Jocelyn, and welcome back to my weekly journal. Today we're going to talk about boundaries. When I say boundary, I don't just mean your physical space only. So often we get the word boundary misconstrued, and people don't know how to enforce them. I will tell you right now, they come from you. No one else can respect a boundary. No one else can cross a boundary unless you allow it. There are 3 tips that I can give you. I'm holding up 2 fingers. What is going on here? A boundary can only be created and honed through your own energetic space. I have 3 tips to do that. First, set intention. You must set intention and hold it. You can set intention in 5 seconds, 1 second, however you want to do it, but you have to hold it. 2, you've got to breathe into your space. You have to breathe and see that you own this space. And 3, you need to see yourself, your physical space, your energetic space, and everything around you as a boundary. Once you can hold that and you see that, that's all you have to do. You just can't let it go. People will say to me, how can that be? It just moves. No, it doesn't. If you hold it, energetically goes out, vibration out, and then all of a sudden, various individuals or animals or anyone just feels it and knows not to trespass your boundary. That is the goal. It is a process. It is definitely an exercise. But every time you do that, you will see. You won't even know why. Why is it that he always bothers me? Because you held it and they're responding from space. That's an energetic boundary. It is completely different. So thank you everyone for joining me this week. Next week, as always, I don't know. I always say I don't know because I don't. But I think we may be talking a little bit about how to connect to animal spirits, animal totems. It's something I use a lot. So I don't know, could be that, could be not. I don't know, we'll see. But thank you for coming. Emma, thanks you as well. And I'll see you next week. Bye.